And welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing with you guys some winter DIYs. This first one, I'm going to be using a pizza pan, some titanium white acrylic paint by ARTEZA, and I'm going to be painting this pizza pan white because we are going to be making a fun little snowman. I do want to thank ARTEZA for sponsoring today's video, so I will be using some of their products, but I usually use their products in every single video anyways, so I'm super excited about this one. I'm using a chalkboard piece along with a wooden piece and this Mars black paint to make a fun little hat for the snowman. These items came from Dollar Tree as well. I think everything actually came from Dollar Tree, so if not, I will let you know. I'll probably let you know if it was from Dollar Tree too. But I'm just going to be painting these black. I also painted the chalkboard because I wanted everything to be the same color black, and I really like this Mars black. I also really love ARTEZA paint because normally you just need one solid coat for anything. Now I'm just gluing these two pieces together to make a hat, and then I will be gluing it to the pizza pan. This glue gun was also sent to me by ARTEZA, and I absolutely love it. It is drip free. I have not had any drips on it. For when I first turned it on, I didn't even think it was working because normally when I know my glue gun is on and ready, the glue just drips out. So I'm really excited that I don't have any glue drips all over the place. It is nice, and it also saves on glue sticks. Right now I'm just adding greenery, some white berries, some red berries. I've had all this in my craft stash for the last couple years. I do know the red berries for a fact are from Target. And I just picked those up after Christmas when they were really inexpensive. I love purchasing things after Christmas because that is when you can get the best deals. So I just grabbed some ribbon to make a bow. Normally I do not make my own bows. I like to buy them, but I thought that I would just do 3 different sizes of this ribbon, fold it in half, and then tie it with some twine, and then add some ribbon around the center and kind of poof and floof and fluff out this bow to make a kind of fluffier one. So that's why I foofed and fluffed to make it larger. And I'm just gluing it right to the center to kind of cover up all the glue from the berries and the greenery. And I think this turned out really good for not making bows very often. This little snowman needs a face. I'm using these ARTEZA paint markers, or they're acrylic markers. I love these. I've been using these for years on end. I want to say the last 2 years. I think they're great. My black was actually starting to run out because I do use this quite often. So you just shake them up and it's like paint, and they have oil ones. They have acrylic ones. The oil are more permanent. So I really do enjoy using these, and especially when you want to use paint, but my hands are not completely 100% steady. So these are really great because it's almost like you're just using a marker. So I'm just doing his face and making his nose, and then just to top this off, I wanted to add some little pink cheeks, and I'm just using this pink paint and just using my finger to dab it to make some cute little rosy cheeks. Bottom half of the snowman was looking a little plain, so I just grabbed some more of that ribbon from Dollar Tree, and then I just glued it all together to make a cute little scarf for the bottom. And then I ended up just folding a piece of this ribbon to make the lower or the bottom or the part of your scarf that kind of waves in the wind. Just folded that and glued it to the center as well, or to the side. And then adding some more of those little red berries from Target, and this snowflake just came off a Decor piece, or like florals. I think that was from Joann's, but I think this turned out so stinking cute. I've been seeing these on Pinterest. I've always wanted to make one. So here is my take on the pizza pan snowman. Into a fast and easy winter DIY, I just found this really cute jar from Dollar Tree, and I'm just using the titanium white paint by ARTEZA to paint this jar. This was simple, it was easy, it took seconds, and I love a super quick DIY. If you guys are not new to my channel, you know that I love anything that is fast and easy. So when you watch that snowman pizza pan, it took some time, it took a day or so. So I love doing quick DIYs right after. And this floral, I cannot remember where this came from. I had this for years, these greenery and pine cones. I want to say it was from Joann's as well. but I'm almost thinking it was from Walmart a few years ago. Nope, you know what? It was from Walmart. I'm just showing you guys what the glue gun looks like that I'm using. It also comes with glue sticks as well. So I did this DIY a few years ago on my channel. I want to say one of the first winters or first Christmases, and it fell off my freezer a couple years ago and broke. So I wanted to recreate it and make another one. I'll leave the original link to this video in the description box, but I just use these little candle holders from Dollar Tree, glue 3 of them together with some hot glue. You could use E6000 for a more permanent take. And then I just grab some twine and wrap some twine around the edges. So if there's any glue sticking out at all, it would just kind of cover it, but it also kind of covers up those little creases in there as well. I love these little snowflake ones. I think these are really cute. And then I just had this decorative filler, and then I started gluing some to the top just for an extra take. And then you can throw some tea lights in here. You could also turn it around and decorate the insides. I've done that in the past as well, but this is just a really quick DIY to do, and I love it. I love taller items because I don't have a ton of taller Christmas decor, so this is always nice to throw in the back when you are layering or decorating a shelf. This next DIY, I'll be using the titanium white paint once again, and these 2 wood pieces. These were also from Dollar Tree, and I used one of these for the snowman hat as well. But I'm just doing 2 coats of this ARTEZA paint. Like I said, normally it needs 1, but I think I was just going a little bit thin with it. And now I'm just gluing these 2 wood pieces together because we're going to be kind of making like a little stand or just a little place to set tea lights on. I found these really cute candle holders from Dollar Tree. I just ended up throwing some tea lights in here. I glued them to this just because this is kind of what I made this for, and then they won't slip off that easy. And that is all I did for this one. I think this is a really cute Christmas or winter decor piece. A quick DIY. This is so quick, so do not blink. I'm just gluing this little Christmas tree ornament from Dollar Tree to this chalkboard. I did not paint the chalkboard or the edges. I sometimes really like that just plain wood look. Gluing this, and then I did decide to add an ornament to the top with the bow. This was from Walmart. I changed my mind. I did not like the way it hung, but I did like the bow. So I just cut the ornament off and kept the bow, and that is it for this one. The last DIY, I'm just going to be using this galvanized house from Dollar Tree in this ARTEZA fabric paint. I don't usually do fabric painting, but I do like these fabric markers for fun little snow like this, or when you just want to add something fun to a decor piece. But I love this. I'm just making some snow on the roof and the chimney, and I did go back in thicker with this because this was just not looking the way I wanted it to. So yeah, so you're gonna see here I went back in way thicker, and then I just had an ornament from Dollar General, and I just wanted the wreath to add to the center of this. You guys, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out ARTEZA in the description box below. I also have a coupon code in the description box for 10% off your purchase, along with the links for ARTEZA. You guys, that is it. If you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!